Usually, users who earn massive returns from trading and investing crypto tokens garner the most attention. But there are several other methods to earn crypto with more stability than buying and selling. Read on to find some of the easiest ways to earn income passively. In this video, I'm gonna show you top 8 methods to earn passive income in crypto. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Let's start the video. Number 8. Crypto mining. Blockchains require all blocks to be validated before they can be finalized. This is known as achieving consensus, and blockchains use different mechanisms to reach it. Popular coins like Bitcoin and Litecoin use the proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Under this system, users or miners must employ their computers to solve complex cryptographic puzzles. The first to arrive at the solution is rewarded for the time and energy expended. This is known as the block reward for mining. You can start earning a passive income with mining today. Simply choose a blockchain to mine on and download the required tools. Alternatively, you can join mining pools, which groups computers together, and use their combined power to increase the likelihood of earning rewards. Number 7. Staking. The most popular alternative to proof of work is proof of stake. Under this system, you don't have to expend any computational power or energy. Instead, you simply have to stake or lock in the native token of the blockchain. This acts as proof of your investment. If you have enough tokens staked, you can create a node and begin validating transactions. However, this can be costly and prohibitive. On some other networks that use delegated proof of stake, you can delegate your tokens to an active validator and earn a share of their block rewards. What is staking crypto? For users already invested in the crypto ecosystem, this can be a simple way to earn more. To begin staking, simply open a crypto wallet, purchase the required number of tokens, and select the staking option. Number 6. Yield farming. Yield farming refers to providing liquidity for lending and borrowing services and earning interest from it. This process involves locking your tokens into the smart contracts of a decentralized finance app. The app's protocol automatically connects borrowers to the pool of funds, who pay interest for using the funds. The borrowers are usually other DeFi applications that need quick access to liquidity, so the repayment risk is low. It is a popular choice for passive income, but requires you to research the pools you lock your tokens in. Number 5. Liquidity mining. Decentralized crypto exchanges usually enable peer-to-peer transactions in a fast and secure manner. However, operating on a purely P2P basis can lower the volumes of the platform. This is where liquidity mining comes in. To achieve the required level of liquidity for smooth functioning and market making, liquidity pools provide coin swap pools. The pool contains a pair of crypto tokens that can be swapped for each other. For example, a BTC/USDT pool allows you to exchange BTC coins for USDT tokens and vice versa. Providing your tokens to a liquidity pool makes you an LP liquidity provider. LPs earn a portion of the network fees based on the liquidity they provide. Sometimes, this earning is in the form of a liquidity token that can be staked further to earn more returns. Number 4. Cloud mining. Standard crypto mining can take place on your personal devices like computers and laptops. However, as more miners enter the process, it gets increasingly difficult and expensive to stay competitive. While you could have mined bitcoins on your device easily 10 years ago, you must spend tens of thousands of dollars on specialized hardware today to be successful. This is where cloud mining can help. Cloud mining is a method under which you pay a service provider to be able to use their hardware for crypto mining. These payments are usually monthly payments to access a particular tier of hardware. There is thus no hardware to maintain, zero capital expenditure, and you do not have to worry about your hardware becoming obsolete. This can be profitable if the average return from mining is greater than your subscription cost. Number 3. Airdrops. Airdrops are marketing tactics by crypto projects that wish to boost their popularity and circulation ahead of an initial coin offering, ICO. This involves distributing the native token of the project to prospective users for free. This garners more attention toward the token and increases its circulation before it is available for trading. What is a crypto airdrop? There are many kinds of airdrops. Some grant you tokens simply by linking your wallet, while others require you to complete simple tasks like following the project on their social media page. While airdrops are not consistent or grant high returns, they can be an interesting way to expand your crypto portfolio. Number 2. Crypto lending. While yield farming is a variation of lending in crypto, it has many other possibilities. As a crypto lender, you can use centralized or decentralized platforms to find borrowers. Alternatively, peer-to-peer lending platforms enable you to lend directly to an individual. Such platforms usually include a user's history and credit scores to reduce the risk of non-repayment. Number 1. Savings accounts. Some crypto platforms offer accounts where your funds and tokens can earn interest. Similar to savings accounts with your bank, the platform uses these funds for lending and staking or other investments. Having a savings account with the platform entitles you to a portion of the returns made using your funds. That's all for today. Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for the upcoming amazing and informative videos.